Did you know Snowflake SQL is one of the easiest ways to handle massive data? If you are learning data engineering, Snowflake SQL is a must-know skill. It helps you create tables, run queries, and manage huge data sets efficiently, all in the cloud, without managing a single server. Let's start with queries. Queries are how you read, filter, and analyze data quickly. With a simple select statement, you can pull millions of rows in just a few seconds. Add a where clause to filter results. Use group by to summarize. Bring in join to combine tables. That is real analytics, written in plain, readable SQL. Next up, tables. Tables store your structured data in rows and columns. You create them using the create table command. Define each column, pick your data types, like integer, VARCHAR, date, or BOOLEAN, and your table is ready to store data. Snowflake even supports semi-structured data, like JSON, right inside the same table. Now, data handling. This is where SQL really shines. You can insert, update, delete, and organize data with a handful of simple commands. Insert adds new rows, update changes existing ones, delete removes them, and merge handles complex upserts in a single statement, perfect for data pipelines. The best part? Snowflake SQL is fast, scalable, and beginner-friendly. It runs on a powerful cloud engine that automatically scales up when your data grows and scales down when you're done. No tuning, no indexes to manage, no servers to babysit. That is exactly why modern companies, from fast-growing startups to Fortune 500 giants, rely on Snowflake every day for analytics, reporting, dashboards, and machine learning pipelines. So if you're just starting out, focus on the basics. Select, create, insert, update, delete, and join. Master those, and you'll unlock one of the most in-demand skills in tech today. So, are you learning SQL too? Drop a comment below and follow for more data engineering tips every week.